From the temple of heaven, 7 angels step forth, each bearing a bowl filled with the final wrath of God.
The first angel pours his bowl, and grievous sores strike all who bear the mark of the beast.
The second bowl turns the sea to blood. Every living thing with the rivers become blood. You are righteous, O Lord, for you have...
The fourth angel pours his bowl on the sun. Fire scorches the unrepentant, yet they curse the name of God. Darkness descends upon the throne of the beast. His kingdom fills with anguish. The Euphrates dries to prepare the way for the kings of the east. Armageddon approaches.
The 7th angel cries, "It is done," and Babylon the Great is destroyed in 1 hour.